we'll see each other again next year. This is the first year din na ganyan nakalaki yung premyo natin. So while sana mas malaki pa next year. Ay, sana kaya natin i-year. So, different company.
No daw?
So, I hope, yun nga. So, our goal next year is to maintain na talagang makapag-strive talaga sa company. So, bilang ako yung father ng company. Actually, I believe yung message na ko because I think dapat lahat marunong financially. So, my point is, I hope we live by our means. Meaning, kahit gano'ng kalaki yung kinikita natin, gano'ng kalaki, kaya natin siya i-manage. Because like, ngayon, we're pretty big, pero if we look yung mga other companies, well, malayo-malayo pa. So next year, the goal is actually mas maging smooth yung pagiging corporate natin. This is the second year na corporate na talaga tayo. We started parang backyard business. We run everything. Walang HR, walang accounting. Ngayon, sana next year mahanap mo din accountant na inahanap. Ganun na. The country, yung education system kasi natin, walang financial literacy. So, it is in our panyo. Kumbaga, individually, we need to learn it on our own. Yun talaga yung kailangan natin. So, I leave these three things to you. So, even though slow yung progress, as long as it is consistent, and intentional na ginagawa natin, magagawa natin. So, everyone, thank you again for coming. Thank you again for coming. The 2025 year-end party of SA19 Dental Profession.
Thank you, sir.
Before